Very challenging end to the month, very tough month, down month, first down month in many of the portfolios on the year, some of the main portfolios such as All Strategy Access. And so let's take a look at Cobra 3 minus 625, Cobra 3 NQ minus 625. These are going through normal losing streaks. Let's take a look at the performance summary on Cobra 3. You see how it has these pullbacks, and these are times to get in. I know I say that a lot, but it's definitely the case. You can almost do technical analysis and draw a trend line on this, and so it goes through winning streaks and losing streaks, and this is with slippage and commission. And this is the Cobra 3, one of our top strategies. It has the tendency to capture big winners. You see the largest winner is 4,700 going back to 2015. And largest losing trade is 625, and less than half the trades are profitable. So this is one of our strategies we call the infinity strategies, because we let it run to the end of the day, or we cut losses short. And so if 625, a stop loss of 625 seems large to you, you can trade these with the micros and risk 1/10 of that size per micro roughly. And adaptive moving average, very choppy day. It's been a tough market since this time period right here. We were at equity peaks or near equity peaks in a lot of our portfolios, and you just look at this chart of this price action, very difficult. A lot of V reversals. V reversals are hard to catch, in my opinion, and the way I think of markets. They happen, but most of the time you can capture them with breakouts or adaptive moving average did catch this end of the move right here, so the last trade of the day was profitable. But if the market does V reversals all the time of different magnitudes, it's very challenging. Minus 21.75 today on adaptive moving average. Night trader, one of our top strategies, and so it's been that kind of a month that one of our top strategies also ends the month on a loss. You know, you get this. We had a lot of these trades this month or this past week where it comes down and hits a stop and then bounces. A lot of those, and those are hard to endure when you watch it in real time, seeing it hit your stop and bounce all the time. And stock index swing was profitable on the day. Got a long a couple of days ago. Got a short today, plus 475. And let's take a look here. So going over All Strategy Access 2, AT 2019 was on the right side of this trade, but the market is just in this mindset where it's always going to come back. It's always going to, in these last 3 days, it's down, and then it bounces back, it's down, it bounces back, it's down, it bounces back, and it doesn't run up enough to make new highs or to even break out of this channel. The NASDAQ, I thought the NASDAQ would go up the last 2 nights and reach for the highs before the end of the month, and it hasn't done that. Market's about to close here at 315. I guess when it opens at 330, it could run up another 150 points and do that. That's talking about the futures. A lot of our overnight patterns, we trade overnight. There's a tendency for the market to go up in bull markets overnight, and that tendency has been off this month. It's gone down a lot at night, and so Asia 4 long. Minus 1,025 on the day. It did that two times recently as well. So yesterday, and then again that was last week. So the tendency, I mean, if you just look at this chart, this is the 60-minute chart. Just this, I mean, where is it going? It's wide-ranging reversals are very challenging. 60-minute breakout in Q. Took a trade earlier, stopped out, came and took this breakout again. Wished it would have taken a breakout on this bar. This kind of almost, I think, met the criteria. Would have been good to get in on a bar earlier and hit that, but it did not. So it's going to hold these over the weekend. The 60-minute breakouts are long over the weekend, and would not be surprised to see a gap up. I keep saying that, and then it rolls over. So we have a end of the month and then a new month starting on Sunday night. And so you only see 3 strategies trading. Actually, AT 2020 in Q had a nice short going, got on at a break-even stop. So only 4 strategies trading in this workspace. All Strategy Access 3, Cobra Euro 4 plus 687.50. It's had 2 good days in a row. Gold, SR Country 2 Gold Not a lot of gold strategies traded today. I thought there would be more trading signals firing on this dip, but we only got plus 475 there. And then we came in with Cobra Gold and got the move back up, plus 575. SR Counter Trend 3 Natural Gas lost today. It lost $295 today, and it was stopped out on an $800 stop loss. 295 of that was today. Good trades in crude oil, plus 475 on the short side on both of those. And one of the highlights of the day, 2 for 2 in crude oil. All Strategy XS 5. No trades in All Strategy XS 5. All Strategy XS 6. We have gap fill in reverse crude oil. So 3 for 3 in crude oil. That was the highlight of the day. Plus 395 in crude oil. And this strategy is not in the portfolio. It's a larger stop loss. We've shown what you can do with bigger stop losses. It's been on the wrong side of the market lately. And after hours did not trade. And 60-minute breakout. We've talked about the 60-minute version and the 1-minute version. They're the same strategy. This is designed to trade like a 60-minute chart on 1-minute chart. It is up 350 today. It takes short trades. It's one of those that came within a half a point of its profit target, reversed. We ended up going long, catching that end of the day rally. I knew it was going to do that after this was stopped out in here. Really would have benefited us, though. We were in a good position to be profitable if this market had rolled over. We had 4 ES strategies that were short and 1 NQ strategy that was short, and the market just wouldn't follow through on the downside. And it hasn't been able to do that lately with the support of the Fed and the bullish sentiment that the market always goes up, and that these V reversals are challenging. So challenging month, down on these portfolios, a lot of them on the month. First down month in some of these portfolios this month with this choppy price action. So one of the things I've noticed is that when a portfolio is down, a lot of times the price action has been very unusual, and that some of that unusual price action is short term, and it changes. It can flip on the month. And so a lot of times that's what we're looking for, is when the portfolio is down, our strategy is down on the end of the month, you start trading it again, you step it up and trade it into the next month. And so we might make some adjustments. I have a new strategy I want to add. Might make some adjustments on some of these, but I don't want to change the strategy just because the last 7 days did so poorly. A lot of times you see a bounce back in the new month, and that's what we're anticipating in August.